Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin. So first I'm gonna say there are two options how to reset the phone. So first I'm gonna show you the first option. So now simply go into the settings, click on About Phone, scroll down a little bit until you find the factory reset, then click on it and now click Erase all data. Also, you have information to if you want to create a backup earlier. So if you want, you can click on the backup, because factory resetting will cause this that all of your data will be erased from the phone. So backup is a nice option. Also on our channel we have a bunch of videos how to create a backup. So if you want, you can find it. And now simply click on Erase all data, factory reset, and then follow the instruction on the phone. And the second option is factory reset using the recovery mode. So first now we need to shut our phone down, click on power off, and now let's wait a little bit. Okay, I think it's good time to proceed. So now all you need to do is to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until we get into the recovery mode. So let's hold those both buttons. Okay, we almost had it. I don't know why it happened. Okay, here we are, and now we simply need to go into wipe data. And now, but first I'm gonna show you how to move around this menu. So basically all you need to do is to use the volume buttons. When you click volume down, you go down, just like this, and volume up, you go up. That's pretty simple. And when you want to confirm the selected option, simply click on the power button. So now we need to go into wipe data, confirm, wipe all data, confirm. You can see this cannot be undone. You will also lost all of your data, so be aware of that. So now click on confirm. The process has started. Now it's finished. It didn't take much time. Okay, now click on back to main menu, and now you can go into reboot. Now confirm, and now the phone will be automatically turned on back again as a brand new. You will need to set it up, and that's how you basically perform a reset. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.